runway 10,000 checkers.
10,000 checks. Seat belts are on. Crew belts
United
at left.
919, depart hyper direct to Lemieux to join the 19 left localizer and maintain 7,000.
Alright, 919, depart hyper direct to Lemieux, maintain 7,000.
November 3020 Bravo, I got the clearance for you if you're ready.
Looks good.
3020 Bravo, you're cleared to destination Golf Echo Delta via, not yet, but expect direct twerk, which is TWIRK, to join Tango 356. To Swan, which is Sierra Whiskey Alpha November, to Tango 358. To Echo November Oscar, direct. Don't go to twerk yet, I'll have it just a sec.
One to go?
One to go.
Potomac approach, November 258 X-ray 14,000. Information, Kilo requesting RNF GPS Yankee 19er left.
Alright, the aircraft's falling up north, descend via Hyper 9 for 19 left, stand by. Alright, 3020 Bravo, got 6 frequencies, 1 earpiece, sorry about that. If you got Martinsburg, Torque, T356, Swan, T358, ENO, direct, and you're good to go, maintain 5,000, you can turn left direct Torque at this time. 258 X-ray, descend via Hyper 9 arrival from runway 19 left.
Descend via the Hyper 9, runway 19 left, requesting RNF GPS Yankee.
Waterman 211, contact Frederick Tower on 32-4. Good day, guys. Yes, bye. November 258 X-ray departs Hyper direct Lemieux to join the 19 left localizer, maintain 7,000.
After Hyper, Lemieux, descend maintain 7,000, join the localizer requesting RNF GPS Yankee 19er left.
I got it, sir. I'm not final. The next guy, I put in the scratch pad that you are requesting the RNAV Yankee.
Roger, November 258 X-ray.
Please.
November 150 Mike Bravo, contact Potomac final on 125.8. Good day, guys.
25A, G2, 0 Mike Bravo.
United 919, Dulles Tower, 120.1. Good day.
Speed discretion 1201, 90 Bravo, good day.
Potomac approach, Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, 8,000, direct Nuke.
Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, Potomac approach, runway 19 center, descend, maintain 5,000.
Descend and maintain 5,000, 19er center, 0 Mike Bravo.
Frontier 608, descend, maintain 3,000.
5,000 set.
I see 5,000. You're set. Approach is complete.
Okay, field in sight.
In sight.
Frontier 688, turn right, heading 160, intercept the 19 center, localizer out of return, Dulles Airport, 1 o'clock, 12 miles.
Alright, turn 160, intercept the localizer for 19 center, and airport is in sight for Frontier Flight 688.
Frontier 688, clear visual approach, runway 19er center, maintain 170 knots or greater to a 5-mile final.
Alright, clear visual for 19 center, and maintain 170 or greater until the 5-mile final, Frontier Flight 688.
Potomac approach, good afternoon, United 919 Heavy out of 8,000 for 4,000.
919 Heavy, Potomac approach, runway 19er left.
19 left, United 919.
Yeah, Potomac, jet speed 325 is with you, 4,000 field set.
Jet speed 325, Potomac approach, runway 19er left.
19er left, roger, 325.
Jet speed 325, descend, maintain 3,000.
Down to 3,000, jet speed 325.
Frontier 688, contact Dulles Tower, 134.42, good day.
13442, Frontier Flight 688. day.
Jet speed 325, descend maintain 2000.
2000, jet speed 325.
Delta 0 Mike Bravo, descend maintain 3000.
Descend 3000, 0 Mike Bravo.
3,000?
3000.
Jet speed 325, turn left heading 280.
Left 280, jet speed 325.
Number 0 Mike Bravo, advised Dulles inside 12 o'clock, 1 miles.
Inside 0 Mike Bravo.
Number 0 Mike Bravo, clear visual approach runway 19 center and speed your discretion.
Cleared visual 100 center, speed or discretion, 150 Mike Bravo.
Okay, clear for visual.
Third visual.
Jet speed 325, clear visual approach runway 19er left in contact Dulles Tower 120.1.
Cleared to visual, 90 left, and over 20.1, jet speed 320.
Potomac approach, November 258 X-ray, 7,500, sending 4,000, requesting our GPS Yankee to 19er left.
Number 258 X-ray, Potomac approach, expect the RNAV Yankee runway 19er left.
Expect the RNAV Yankee to 19er left, thank you, November 258 X-ray.
United 919 Heavy, descend maintain 3000 and advise Dulles in sight, 12 o'clock and 18 miles.
919 Heavy, descend 3000, airport in sight.
9919 Heavy, clear visual approach runway 19er left.
919 Heavy, cleared visual 19 left.
Number 0 Mike Bravo, speed to your discretion, Dulles Tower 134.42, good day.
3442, speed or discretion, 0 Mike Bravo.
Hey, runway heading clear takeoff, runway 30 jets, 726.
Dulles Tower, good afternoon, Challenger 150 Mike Bravo is 9er miles out, 19er center, going to Atlantic.
Dodger 150 Mike Bravo, Tower runway 19er center, cleared to land, wind 220 at 13.
Clear to land, 19er center, 150 Mike Bravo.
Falcon 1898 Bravo, won't you do me a favor? Please take the reverse high speed for me, Kilo 4. Taxi Kilo northbound, the Americans holding short of Foxtrot. And you said you're going to signature today? All right, taxi Kilo northbound, monitor ground, point 9er for me, please.
Gear down.
Bid checks, gear coming down.
Frontier 688, what's your gate?
It's Alpha 7 at DC. We're here, we have
Flaps
fuel,
20.
so we don't know.
All right, do me a favor, just pull up sort of Alpha. You familiar with the airport?
Bug
yeah,
114.
Alpha, we got our charts pulled up. I believe our normal gates are Bravo 62 or Bravo 79 here in Dolo.
All right, just give me a moment here. We'll figure it out. Yankee short of Alpha for me, please.
Yankee short of Alpha, Frontier Flight 688. Thank you very much.
Speed 325 for the reverse high speed is approved.
20.
And you can taxi Kilo to finish. I'm under ground point 9.
Flaps full.
Speed checks, flaps selected full.
Full and checklist.
Green, confirm.
Confirmed.
Flaps full.
Full.
All lights are on, clear to land.
Thank you.
United 919 Heavy Tower, runway 19 left, cleared to land, wind 210 at 10.
500.
Jazz 726, turn right 320, contact Potomac departure, see you.
Right 320 over to departures, Jazz 726.
$100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Okay.
Boards are out. Reverse deploy.
80 knots and your controls.
My controls.
Charger 150, Mike Bravo, where are you parking today?
Atlantic 0 Mike Bravo, vacating left on Yankee 5.
All right, now let's do the reverse high speed, a little better there. Let's take Yankee 4, Yankee to Atlantic, monitor ground point 62, have a good day.
Yankee 4, Yankee to Atlantic, monitoring ground 0 Mike Bravo, thanks.
Alright, Yankee 4, Yankee.
Sharp turn.
Monitor COM 2.
COM 2.
After landing.
Scandinavian 926.
After landing, flaps coming out, probes are off, lights are
13442, have a good night.
set.
13442, Scandinavian 926, likewise.
Double 1695, you on the pre-cat?
Right side's clear.
Sure.
Double 1695, you on freak?
And you said Zulu 2, right?
Zulu 2, yeah.
Okay.
Double 1695, Dulles ground, roger. I'm going to get you airborne in Atlanta here in 4 minutes. So taxi runway 19 left via Kilo.
Right side's clear.
Roger. Zulu 2.
Copy. Excellent, so.
You.
United 1873. Let's find your paperwork. Runway 19 left, taxi via Kilo.
Good evening, Asheville 6159, Bravo, short Zulu with Kilo.
Shell 6159, Dulles ground, good evening, runway 30, taxi Zulu, hold short, Yankee 11.
Alright, 30 Zulu, hold short, Yankee 11, Asheville 6159.
Parking brake. Lights.